This is a Baldor H2 30 horsepower motor controller which can be used for a variety of applications in a range of types of industries. This is what we would call a general purpose inverter with a full level of feedback control, also called closed loop, which allows this motor control to be used in more applications than a non-feedback motor control. This particular motor control is from a crane used at a sawmill. This Baldor needed a full rebuild, and as shown in the video, we are fully testing this unit on one of our many test motors. We repair hundreds of brands of motor controllers at ERD, and we pride ourselves on having the most extensive collection of test motors available for ensuring proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.